In this video, we'll discuss content guarding. The AgeWallet plugin gives you a number of ways to restrict access to your content by age. To get to the content guarding menu, simply come down and select content guarding on the left here. That will bring you to this screen. To start with, you can pick which security mode to use. Now, these modes have different advantages and disadvantages. The standard overlay mode, which is what most age verification systems provide, uses CSS and JavaScript to overlay and hide your content until age verification has been passed. This is better for search engine optimization as it does allow bots to pass through, but it is also less secure as an end user can simply disable JavaScript and therefore disable age verification. For that reason, we've created the high security mode. Now, this mode makes sure that you're in total compliance with any regulator. It prevents the content from loading at all until verification has been completed. It does trigger and initiate our custom AgeWallet caching system. This system is designed to work with most caching plugins and Cloudflare out of the box. The downside of this is that it does block content until age verification has been passed, as search engine bots cannot pass through age verification. They are also blocked. So you'll need to make sure that you have set up your site structure in such a way that your safe for work content is getting indexed and you're still getting your search engine indexing while your age gated content is protected. Both modes of security will work with any scope of protection. You can set up no automatic protection, which means that you'll need to customize protection at the taxonomy level or using the various paths or at the individual post or page level. We also have the option to protect the entire site, either including or excluding the home page, and you can choose to protect only specific URL paths. You can also exclude paths. Now, it's important to note that exclusion always trumps inclusion. So if you include content in one way into the age verification, but then exclude it in another way, that content will be excluded from age verification. You can also block at the taxonomy level. So you can choose to exclude all terms, ignore, which is the default. This will ensure that it gets treated according to whatever the scope of protection and other rules above here are. If you choose to gate all terms, that means that any single post or page and any custom post type or WooCommerce product that has been tagged with that particular term will be age gated unless it's otherwise excluded. You can choose to exclude all terms, and you can set up specific rules as you see I've done here. To set up specific rules, you can simply type in, and as you type it will find it for you, and then you make sure that you click save. So in this example, product categories for WooCommerce, and specifically the accessories category, will be excluded from age verification. If on the other hand you wanted to make sure something was included, even if everything else was excluded, then you can simply again type in, and you'll see here that then you have the option to include that in the age gating. So this system gives you a powerful and flexible way of restricting access to your content by age. It allows you to control specifically what taxonomies and terms, what methods and modes that you use.